Welcome to Advanced Repair Technology's Easy Stop Weather Stripping System. Today, we will demonstrate the installation of the standard 1/2-inch kit and a 3/8-inch California kit. The installation of the 1/2-inch kit and the 3/8-inch California kit begins with both the upper and lower sash removed, including the inside stops and parting stops. Measure the width of the horizontal upper parting stop. Transfer this measurement to the Easy Stop headpiece and cut to length. Install the upper headpiece with the pile weather stripping facing outward. Firmly secure the headpiece in place. With the upper sash installed and in the fully closed position, measure from the bottom of the newly installed headpiece to the top of the meeting rail. In this case, the measurement is 35 5/8 inches. Select the right side Easy Stop and measure from the top of the dust plug to the top of the Easy Stop. Mark and cut the stop. Returning to the window, again measure from the bottom of the newly installed headpiece to the windowsill. If desired, match the existing slope angle of the windowsill. Transfer the measurement to the right side Easy Stop and cut to length. Lower the upper sash completely and install the right side Easy Stop. A hammer and a block may be necessary to firmly set the stop in place. Easy Stop can also be glued or nailed into place. Repeat the same process to install the left side Easy Stop. Using a router or table saw, cut a 1/8-inch by 3/8 inch groove in the exterior facing section of the meeting rail of the lower sash. Install the barbed pile weather stripping and cut to length. Using the same router bit setting, cut a 1/8 by 3/8 inch groove on the bottom of the lower sash. Install the silicone flat material. Take care not to stretch the weather stripping and press firmly in place. With the lower sash installed, the Easy Stop system is now complete. You may now install the interior stop molding to finish the project. The Easy Stop material can be painted or stained using gel stain. For more information and to see our other how-to videos, visit advancedrepair.com. Advanced Repair Technology, because the greenest building is the one that's already built.